Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, August 14, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. We have the S&P 500 E-mini futures flying high. They're trading up 13.25 points to 24.53.25 per contract. Seems like the market thinks the Korean tension is over with and the markets are rallying up. But believe it or not, it's just a little pause in the action. So again, let's see how this market reacts today. We'll see where we finish. But nonetheless, futures are trading up nicely, trading up 13.25 points to 24.53 per contract. So all in all, futures are sharply higher ahead of the opening bell. But we'll see how this market plays out by the close. And there's a long week in front of us. All right, looking at stocks in the news, we have VFC Corp, and let's take a look at that. Looks like they're going to buy out Dickeys. The stock right now is trading at $62 a share, closed at $61.58, so it's upticking a little bit here. Again, I think this is already an overbought equity, so be very, very careful with price up here at this level. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do much here. Let's take a look at JD.com. This is a Chinese firm. Looks like they came out with earnings this morning. Stock right now is trading at $44.51. Closed at $45.90. So a little bit of a downtick here. I think this still needs to pull back a little bit. We'll see how it plays out, though. If you own it, just sit tight. There's really not much there, but we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings today, and we'll see how that plays out. Canadian Solar is on the radar today. CSIQ. Looks like they reported earnings as well. Stock closed at $17.20, now trading at $16.56. Again, there's not a whole lot I see here right now, but again, the stock does have some intraday support around $14.75 today if it does get down there. So we'll see if it does get there. Cisco, not the networking company, Cisco Foods, trading down at $51.50. This is basically where it closed. They had earnings, so this will be on our radar once the opening bell rings today. We'll see how this one plays out. All in all, not much we could do with it until we see how it shakes out this morning, but there's very good resistance at around 52.20 if it gets there, and pretty good support, I would suppose, around $50.25 if it got down there. So we're going to be looking at Cisco Corp once the opening bell rings. Remember, this is the food company, not the networking stock. Let's take a look at Tesla this morning. It looks like Tesla's in the news again. Stock right now trading at $365, closed at $357.87. You could check out the news for yourself, but the trend is still up in Tesla this morning. Let's take a look at Fiat Chrysler. Ticker symbol is FCAU, and it looks like a Chinese firm supposedly has been making an offer or is interested in buying part of the company. Stock is flying high this morning, closed at $11.61, now trading at $12.26. So this is a very, very good move. If you own this, try to trail the stop loss. This could be a $13 equity at some point this week. Let's take a look at VMware. Looks like they're going to VMW is a ticker symbol. Looks like they're going to try to buy back some shares via selling some notes. So stock right now is trading up to 95.25, closed at 91.95. There's still a lot of resistance right underneath the $100 level for VMware, so be aware of that, and we'll see how this all plays out going forward. Today is a Monday. Monday is normally a day where we have lighter volume. We also have a lot less earnings plays out here, so just be aware of that. Things are a little bit quieter, but we do have gold today trading down about $6.20. Take a look at the GLD, which has been flying high on fears. Today trading back down a little bit. It's not a huge move down. Gold has had a great bounce, and it is overbought into resistance. So this is really just a natural pullback from an overbought condition. Right now, GLD is trading at 121.88. Spot gold this morning trading at $1,287.60 an ounce. So again, gold is going to be in play. Gold miners look like they're getting hit a little bit. Here you can take a look at the GDX. That is trading down as well to $22.85, down from the $23.15. You also have stocks like RGLD that are popping a little bit. So again, we'll have to watch these gold mining stocks this morning. Some are up, some are down. but for the most part, follow the GDX. That'll tell us really what the gold miners are doing. Let's go over to the crude oil market. Crude getting hit a little bit today. Crude futures down about 30 cents at the moment to $48.52 a barrel. Let's take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF. That's trading at $9.93, down from the $9.99 close on Friday. So oil is down a little bit, and we'll see how that plays out today. But definitely a little bit of a quieter Monday. Futures are higher by 14 points on the S&P 500, and we'll see how this market plays out. Again, it should be an interesting session, but I think it gets a little bit more interesting tomorrow. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.